Hello friends, welcome. Friends, today we discuss about friction. So our first question is, what is friction? Explain static friction force is caused due to roughness of force at the microscopic level. फ्रेंड्स, यहाँ पे हमारे पास एक ब्लॉक दिखाई दे रहा है और वो जो ब्लॉक है उसके अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन में नॉर्मल फोर्स अप्लाई हो रहा है और लेफ्ट हैंड साइड फ्रिक्शन फोर्स क्रिएट होगा। अब ये जो ब्लॉक दिखाई दे रहा है उसका अपना वेट भी होगा। जो वेट है वो 100 न्यूटन है और वो डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन में अप्लाई हो रहा है और उसका नॉर्मल फोर्स अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन में। So both are equal and both are in opposite direction. So their resultant force is 0. When we apply some force on this block, suppose we apply some force on right hand side. So between two surface, friction is also produced and it is opposite direction of the applied force. When we force is increased, friction is also increased. But now we apply more and more force so that some maximum friction force are created. After we apply more and more force, the object is moved in the direction of applied force. So friends, between two surface, friction is produced. This friction is depend on type of the surface, type of the material and temperature also. Friction is very useful in our daily life. Some advantage and some disadvantage also available. Look here. Here total 4 type of force are available. So whenever there is relative motion between two surfaces, the force due to which relation motion is retarded is called friction force. And so in the figure, an object is placed on horizontal surface. Weight and normal force balance each other. We show in figure. Let's horizontal force F is applied to object. If F is the only force acting on body, maybe of very small value, then also acceleration A is equal to F upon m. An object will move with acceleration A in direction of force. But here object does not move, hence there should be force which act in opposite direction and makes resultant force is 0. Force which act parallel to contact surface is called frictional force. It is denoted by Fs. Frictional force come to action when external force applied to object. अगर हम कोई फोर्स ही नहीं लगा रहे तो फ्रिक्शन प्रोड्यूस नहीं होगा। हाँ, उसकी वैल्यू इंक्रीज नहीं होगी। When external force F is increased, then static friction force also increase up to certain limit and keep objects stationary. But frictional force opposes impending motion. Impending motion may have occurred if friction force was not present. As magnitude of external force increase, frictional force also adjusts its value. Hence, frictional force is called self-adjusting force. When objects start to move in direction of external force, frictional force is called maximum static force. Law of static friction. In static friction, kinetic friction, and rolling friction, three types of friction are proportional to normal force. Look here, maximum static friction force is proportional to normal force. It is not dependent area of contact between surface. So here we can write down, according to this statement, we can write down Fs maximum is directly proportional to N. And now we want to remove the proportionality sign. So now we take constant mu s. It is called coefficient of static friction. Value of mu s depend on nature of surface in contact, material of surface, and temperature. So mu s is equal to, we can write down Fs upon N, where mu s is until less and the dimensionless, means unitless and dimensionless. The ratio of maximum static friction and the normal force is called coefficient of static friction. Its value is range of 0.0 0.01 to 1.5. If object not move, then Fs less than or equal to mu s n. And our second question, what is dynamic friction? Write law of the kinetic friction, derive coefficient of kinetic friction. When magnitude of the force acting on object lying on the surface exceed maximum static friction, the object will start moving in direction of external force. Hence, value of frictional force will reduce less than maximum static friction force. Frictional force which oppose relative motion between surface in contact is called kinetic friction. It is denoted by Fk. And law of the kinetic friction. Kinetic friction force is proportional to normal force, but it is do not depend on area of contact between surface and do not depend on relative motion of object in motion. Means kinetic friction is proportional to normal force, means we can write down here Fk directly proportional to N. And now remove the proportionality sign. Now we take mu k. Here mu k is a coefficient of kinetic energy. So mu k is equal to, we can write down Fk upon N. So coefficient of kinetic friction, the ratio of kinetic friction force and normal force is called coefficient of kinetic friction. Fs greater than Fk. Hence, mu s greater than mu k. 1. Relation motion start then by Newton's second law of motion. Acceleration of object A is equal to F minus Fk upon m. Next question, what is rolling friction? Write law of the rolling friction. Define coefficient of rolling friction. When body is rolling without sliding, friction force is called rolling friction. It is denoted by Fr. And now we have two laws of the rolling friction. First, magnitude of frictional force do not depend on area of contact, but magnitude of rolling friction is proportional to normal force. So Fs is directly proportional to N. Now you remove the proportionality sign. So now here we can write down mu r. Mu r is a coefficient of rolling friction. It is unitless. And its formula mu r is equal to Fr upon N. When a ring or the sphere rolling without slipping over the horizontal plane, at every instant there is just one point of the contact between the body and the plane, and this point has no motion relative to the plane. In this ideal situation, kinetic or static friction is zero, and body should move without constant velocity. But in practice, there is some resistance of motion in form of rolling friction. Hence, motion is retarded. To keep body rolling, some applied force is needed. For object of given mass, rolling friction is 1 upon 100 or 1 upon 1000 times static or the kinetic friction, because this recent discovery of the wheel has major milestone in the human history. Origin of the rolling friction is different than the static friction and kinetic friction. During rolling and the surface in contact get momentarily deform, a little and the small part of the body remain in the contact with surface. As a result, there is a component of the contact force parallel to the surface which opposes the motion mu r less than mu k less than mu s. And friends, last question. Write the advantage and disadvantage of friction. So friends, in our daily life, friction are very useful and some disadvantage also available. Due to friction, clothes, shoes, type of the vehicle are worn out. And due to friction, there is wear and tear in part of machine. Friction is like fire. Sometimes it is desirable and necessary. Sometimes it is undesirable. Because of friction, we can walk, we can hold object, write on surface, we can stand. In presence of friction, we can transmit motion of wheel via conveyor belt to another wheel. So friends, all these are advantage and disadvantage. You read and prepare it.